Hello, today we're going to be looking at the iFixit Manta Precision Bit Set. I'm a do-it-yourself kind of guy, so I was looking for something like this. This would be a perfect, I've heard a lot of good things about iFixit to start off with. So I just figured, you know what, I got a project I'm going to be working on. I'll leave a video, link is for the PS5, and I needed something to do one of the screws on there. So this would be, I'm, like I said, I do a lot of, if I can fix it, take it apart, I'll do that. I'm kind of like, little projects like that. On the screen, you can see, if you could pause this if you want, you can see all the screwdriver bits that are included. Like the 4mm one has flatheads, Phillips, a Torx, a hex, even the 1/4" screwdriver bits include Phillips, flathead, a hex, a square, a spanner, Torx set, clutch, hook drive. Definitely has enough screwdriver bits, definitely for any projects from working on your laptop to your gaming consoles, your phones, anything in automotive, your home, and your appliances, or what have you. This little driver kit definitely has all the different screwdriver bits for your projects, no matter what you're trying to work on. So as you can see, the packaging is very very nice package overall. And let's take a quick look. Think about iFixit. In this manual, they kind of go over that. Their philosophy is the right to repair. Now, manufacturers nowadays, they make electronics and they don't provide parts, and it's almost like throw it away society. They encourage, and it's kind of founded on, you could take it apart and try to fix it, instead of keep it out of the landfill, all the electronics. And it's kind of nice. You can see they actually include also a little sticker sheet. So that's kind of manual kind of goes over a lot of their philosophy, and also kind of lets you know on their website they do have guides for working on different things. And you can see the weight is 2 pounds on this kit, so it's pretty heavy. Nice that it has a magnets on the bottom of the case, made of ABS with a EVA insert. You can see there's more magnets on the top cover. Another very ingenious thing that iFixit did, and I really like, is they put this in a little integrated sorting tray built into the cover. So put all your screws and what have you on there and keep everything organized and don't have to worry about losing stuff. So really nice little thing that they included with this this driver kit, this little bit set. You can see there is definitely a very nice selection of different screwdriver bits there, along with we'll just take one out. You can see they're made of, the 1/4 inches are made of 6150 steel. I'm not sure what the 6150 means, but say with the S2 steels, different type of steels on the 4mm bit set. And looking at the 4mm driver here, it is made of anodized aluminum. Nice that it has a little screw top like that, the little circle. You kind of makes it easier for unscrewing and screwing little delicate parts and taking those screws out. So that's a really nice, very quality driver. Same with this. The 1/4 inch one, staying with the spin top, very nice weight to it, definitely good quality. And we'll take one of the bits. It is held by a magnet, so it definitely takes a little effort to take it out. So you have to worry about that popping out while you're trying to unscrew something. And a nice little thing I want to test out here. Yeah, look at that. None of the bits fall out. So everything is nice, well secured in that little case. Very nicely done on iFixit on that part. So really, really nice. And it's kind of cool little aspect too. If you want to keep the cover in one all together, those magnets on the bottom will attach to the magnets on the front cover. So really nice. I'm very impressed with this kit. Definitely would recommend it. And just show you some, say, quote unquote real world in action. You can kind of see the smaller one does have built-in magnets, so any of those screws, it'll magnetize to it. The larger one, the bigger bits don't have a magnet, so the big screws are not going to be magnetized like that. So yeah, overall, very impressed with this iFixit kit. I definitely would recommend it. Pick one up if you're looking for something like a kit like this. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hit the like button if you like it. If you don't, you can hit the dislike. Until the next one, take care.